YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping and see what other goodies they have to offer. And if they have their own website, it will be their link down below. And if it's Amazon, it'll be my affiliate link. So definitely check these guys out. This is coming from Cololight strip extension. 50 plus standard effects. Millions to build on your own. Alright, this should be an easy one. Here's the back. Built-in LED lamps. Oh baby, here we go. Oh, these look nice. Bam, look at those. These are well made. I'm liking these. What else does it come with? Strip extension. Well, I guess we need to open this one then. Also. And we got the starter kit. So I could do a whole basement. There we go. So like I said, they got a lot of different lights to choose from. That's a nice spool. And here's all the main parts. I think for my project, I'm not going to need too much extra space, but it never hurts. Okay, we got everything out of the box. There we go. Put this back in there. Comes with the receiver. And we got, get this moving. There we go. And we got a connector right there. So I'm probably going to need this untwine. There we go. 3M sticky tape. Double-sided. Okay. We got clamps and all that good stuff. I don't think I'm going to need those. Just need the sticky stuff. So I got this, and then you can combine it with this one. But like I said, I think all I'm going to need is maybe this. Should be enough for my project. You guys could start your own little projects with RGB. I never thought I'd be getting into it this much, but I am definitely liking it. I'm used to like the dark more, but these lights actually are really cool to have. So they got nice sides. Where do I stick it? Let's see. Keep that one up there. Just unspool it. There we go. So we got this. As you can see, careful with this. And then I believe you this other side. Okay. Actually, I could do it. You can do it. USB. USB, USB. Okay. So we got to connect this like this. Make sure it's locked in, and then I need the other side. Almost had it. Actually, I might need the extension, but that's all right. Because we're gonna set it up here, and then I'm gonna take it downstairs and put it on one of my tables I have. There we go. Alright, USB time. I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, look at this. We got it all set up. Looking good. Got the app right there. Look how bright these things are even with the lights on. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to turn off the light in a minute, but these are crazy looking. Definitely my new favorite company to go to for RGB lights, guys. Definitely save some money with these people. There we go. That looks good. We could change it. I have it up there for now. Like I said, I just gotta go downstairs and set it up. So I might have to pause the video again and again set it up down there. Okay, come on. Stay right there for a minute. Okay, we got sunrise. Let me shut the light off. Hold on. Alright, yeah, these are definitely the way to go. See how bright they are, even right there. Change that one. Now we got unicorns. Whoa. I guess they are real. Alright, flip that one. Pensive. That's pretty cool. It's like a green and blue. Circus. Circus is in town. And then Insta share. Maybe not. I could just set it up. I have these on Instagram too. So cockatoo bird. And you could slide it through in a preset mode. Dazzling blue. Yeah, it does. Really nice. So like I said, you could buy the extension and set it up that way, and you could create your own campfire ghost. Alright, let's see what it does. Right now it's running the tablet or the template, and then it should shoot it up in a second. There we go. That is cool. And there's a lot of features, guys. It would probably be a very long video if I went through them all, but definitely check them out. Links will be down below. Get them now before they sell out. But yeah, definitely the best ones, RGB companies I've found, or they found me. I forgot how it went, but link will be down below, guys. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.